Today, I'll show you how to change a Capital One credit card PIN. This simple process ensures that your PIN is both secure and memorable, giving you peace of mind when making transactions. Let's dive in. First, the most straightforward method is to call the customer service number located on the back of your credit card. This number is your direct line to getting assistance from Capital One. Once you've dialed the number, you'll be greeted by automated prompts. These prompts are designed to guide you through various services, including changing your PIN. Follow the instructions carefully. If you prefer speaking with a person, you can also request to talk to a representative who will assist you through the process. When prompted, enter your new PIN. Make sure it's something you'll remember but also difficult for others to guess. You'll then be asked to confirm the PIN, so double check that it's correct. Now, if you're someone who prefers handling things in person, you have the option to change your PIN at an ATM. Simply insert your card into the machine and look for the option labeled PIN Services. From there, you can update your PIN just as you would at home. It's a handy option if you're out and about, and remember, you need to make a change. For those who prefer digital solutions, Capital One offers the ability to manage or change your PIN through their website or mobile app. Simply log into your account and navigate to your card settings. Within these settings, you'll find the option to update your PIN. This method is convenient if you're already online or using the app for other banking tasks. And there you have it. That's how to change your Capital One credit card PIN. Whether you choose to call customer service, use an ATM, or go online, the process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Changing your PIN when needed keeps your account secure and ensures that you have access to your funds whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.